We've had water come up, uh, draining out of the bathroom and onto our carpet floor, coming out of the toilet. We're unsure of its origin, but it has completely come up the stand-up shower, and it won't go down. Coming up out of the toilet, you can tell the water is still standing, and I will be cleaning it up. The sink is dry, so whatever it was connected to the wastewater coming up through the floor drains. With each step, the water is coming out all the way into the living room. And I've been cleaning up the floor to try and clean up the mess. The water has gone down